In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Docs tutorial, how to create a questionnaire, the basics in Google Drive. We'll start right from your Google account so everything stays synced and easy to share. First, open your browser and go to Gmail. This is just a convenient doorway into the rest of Google's tools. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so Docs and Drive can save your work automatically as you go. Next, look to the top right for the small grid icon, sometimes called the App Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Apps. This menu is available across most Google pages, so it's a handy way to jump between tools without typing any links. From that panel, click Docs. This takes you to the Google Docs home screen where you can create or access documents stored in your Drive. You'll see templates, recent files, and a clearly labeled option to start fresh. Click on Blank Document. A new untitled document opens ready for your questionnaire. Begin by adding a clear title at the top so respondents know what this is about. Under the title, write brief instructions. Explain how long it should take, how you want people to answer, and anything important about privacy or how you'll use their responses. Be specific about how to respond in Docs, such as typing answers beneath each question, placing an X next to the chosen option, or using a checklist. Now add your questions. Keep each question on its own line to make the document easy to scan. For short, open-ended answers, leave space beneath the question. For multiple choice, type your options as a checklist or as a numbered or bulleted list. If you want checkable items, use the checklist tool in the toolbar so respondents can click to mark their choice. Keep the wording simple and neutral and consider starting with easier questions to warm up your audience before moving to more detailed ones. Format your questionnaire so it's clean and consistent. Use heading styles for the title and section headers. Bold the questions and keep answer areas in regular text. Add spacing between questions to reduce visual clutter. If it's long, insert a horizontal line or page break between sections. Consistent fonts and sizes help people focus on what you're asking, not the layout. Finally, share the questionnaire. Click Share in the top right, choose who can access it, and set permissions. If you want people to type directly in the document, give them edit access or ask them to make a copy. For printing, download as a PDF to lock in the layout. That's it. Your questionnaire is ready to use.